Doing many hats.
Di ba? Hosting,
Hosting,
vlogging with the wife.
with the wife.
Siyempre, we do know your hot takes online.
May men's room pa kami sa TV5.
Correct, exactly. Na laging viral, nakakatawa. And this one, siyempre.
This one is special. Kasi ano ko to dream role ko to yung medyo may pagka-bad guy ng konti na lovable pa rin.
Oo.
Eddie Garcia,
Yeah.
Peg.
Do you see yourself, kumbaga, accepting these roles more often?
I'd love to. Please get me more in these roles. Serious,
How do you code switch? Kumbaga, no? Kasi, I mean, interviewer ka rin. And you seem to be very effective pala interviewing. Because we know you as an OPM icon, an actor, a comedian. But wow, like parang 2026, ang dami mong, 2025, 2026, continuing, ang dami mo palang, like, hindi pa sobrang, sinascratch mo palang yung surface. Parang ganun eh.
Parang ginanahan uli ako since last year to do a lot of stuff. I'm also doing my recording now again.
Yes.
I'm doing an album now.
What do you sing about right now? What do you find yourself, parang, is there anything about your music that you feel changed?
Yes, oo. You have to adjust, of course, with the times. Pero keeping the Jano Gibbs aesthetic.
Naloloka ka ba pag naririnig mo bigla sa, TikTok ka ba? Wala?
Yes.
Naano ka ba? Nahahagip ka ba?
Nakaganon ako
Oo, yun nga. Pero nagugulat ka ba na nahahagip mo ba na ginagamit ng mga bata yung songs mo?
Yes. So, and it's so flattering. Doon sa iba, di ba, naiinis na parang, bakit kinakanta niya yung kanta? Ako, I'm flattered. I just saw bago lang may kumanta ng Ipagpatawad Mo. Pero bago yung niya.
Areglo.
I love it. Nabubuhay uli yung kanta namin di ba?
So, para sa'yo as an artist, it's like, revive mo lang.
Yes. Basta maganda yung pagkagawa mo. Di ba?
And then, yun nga, let's just go back to this. How parang ang intense ng mga eksena with what happened with Kiko and everything else. How has it been? Kasi nga tumitindi pa lalo yung mga eksena ninyo. Parang grabe yung bangayan from Totoy Bato and Dwayne's camp.
Yeah, oo. And nasasama na ako sa mga action ngayon, which I love doing. Alam mo naman, in my younger days, puro mga action comedy. I'm known for action comedy. Pedro Penduko.
Yes.
And the like. So, I love doing the action scenes myself. Takbo-takbo, baril-baril. Ganun.
Talaga? Hanggang ngayon?
Oo.
Tara.
Kaya pa rin ang lolo mo. Kaya pa.
Parang ginawa. Like, how was it? And paano ka nag-prepare?
No, luckily, I'm in shape now.
Yeah.
I do a lot of badminton. So, medyo, ako ngayon, in shape.
Actually, yeah. I was like, wow. Parang in your 30s. Wow. Yes! Ganun ang atake. Bisa ba nagugulat? Pag punta natin yung men's room, nagugulat ka ba pag nagva-viral yung mga pa-Q&A nyo nila Stanley sa mga guests ninyo?
Yes.
Kasi diba, when you talk, parang feeling ko kayo-kayo lang eh.
Yes. I think that's the secret to it. It's very organic. It's raw. Parang kwentuhang lalaki lang, magkakaibigan. Even our bosses sa Five and sa Signal, yung mga nagtatanong ng mga bulungan.
Oo.
Sino yun? Of course, nakakaya naman sa guests kung sasabihin namin.
How do you balance that? Because you're also an actor. And you've been in the headlines. Diba?
Yes,
so you know how it feels.
Yes. Actually, I use that to my advantage. Kasi in return, kaya ko rin magbulong sa kanila na, alam mo ba, ako rin, na-link ko yun.
Oo.
Ganon.
So kanino ka na-link nun?
To gain
So,
their trust.
So kanino ka na-link nun?
Marami.
Oo. Confirmed.
Alam mo yan.
Confirmed.
Marami.
Oo. Noon. Iba na ngayon.
Iba na. Good boy na.
Grabe, oo. Vlog. But it's enjoyable. It's enjoyable seeing you enjoy.
Yeah. With me and Bing, it's our bonding together. More than anything, more than the views and it's when couples work together, parang it's an activity na nakakapaglabas kami ng emotions namin sa public. Minsan nakakalimutan namin na may nanonood eh. So, kwentuhan lang kami and it's very raw, very honest. Ganun.
What did your kids say? It flew.
They were
Nag-fly
surpri-
siya.
They were surprised with their mom. Kasi they're used to me being vocal and, I'm open sa public. Si Bing is very private, diba? So, ngayon lang siya nag-open up. And so, na-surprise kami and the kids na-surprise sa kanya.
That it suits her.
That it suits her, yeah.
I love that. And syempre, thank you so much. When's the album coming out?
Single muna tayo. Probably end of this month or Feb siguro lalabas yung first single.
Which is?
Which is Pinay Pa Rin. Yan.
Wow. Ano siya? Parang catchy?
It's my love letter to Filipina women. Parang kino-compare ko sila sa ibang lahi.
Iba.
At sinasabi ko, Pinay pa rin ang hinahanap ko kahit pumunta ako abroad.
Wow. That's nice. So it's gonna be, kayo po ba yung nagsulat?
Yes. Ako rin nagsulat.
Oh,
it's a fun song muna.
Yun.
To begin with. Fun
I love
song
it.
Muna.
That's nice. Will you also do parang revivals of your classics? Parang ano tawag doon pag
Remix, parang rehash.
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 Kasi uso rin yun, di ba?
Yeah, oo. Siguro,
Re-release.
Re-release, oo. Hindi, siguro, I'll let the young ones sing my old songs.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Magka-concert ba kayo this